Transform your living room into a cinematic experience by setting up a home theater with a projector. Follow these steps for an immersive viewing experience. Choose the right projector. Consider factors such as resolution, 1080p or 4K, brightness, measured in lumens, and connectivity options, HDMI, USB, Wi-Fi. Popular brands include Epson, Bank, and Optoma. Select a suitable screen. Use a dedicated projector screen for the best quality, or a white wall as an alternative. Screens come in various types such as fixed frame, pull-down, or portable. Determine the placement. Measure the distance from the projector to the screen to find the optimal throw distance. Ensure the projector is aligned with the center of the screen for the best image quality. Consider ceiling mounting for a clean setup. Set up the sound system. Invest in a good sound system, like a sound bar, surround sound, or home theater speakers. Position speakers around the room for an immersive audio experience. Calibrate the picture. Adjust the focus, zoom, and keystone settings on your projector for a clear and properly aligned image. Use the projector's menu to fine-tune the brightness, contrast, and color settings. Darken the room. Use blackout curtains or shades to minimize ambient light for a better viewing experience. Consider using LED strip lights for ambient lighting that doesn't interfere with the projector. Enjoy your home theater. Set up your seating area comfortably with couches or recliners. Keep your remote controls and snacks within easy reach. Setting up a home theater with a projector can transform your movie nights into a true cinematic experience. Enjoy your favorite films with stunning visuals and immersive sound. Check my links below.